everybody. Welcome to Maui Karen Ann. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. And if you wish to subscribe, all you have to do is hit subscribe, hit the bell, and then every time I have a video posted on YouTube, you'll be notified. The first thing I want to do is I want to show you this was my last painting. And what I did was, this is 80 sandpaper. I scraped it all, and it kind of gives you a heart attack because it really looks awful. And then I put another coat of resin on it, and it's all done now, ready to go. The edges were kind of bumpy and I wasn't happy with them, so I redid it. So that's the finished product. Now today I want to do another painting where I'm going to put the ingredients on. There it is, 15 ounces. This is 18 by 24, so I multiplied that and came up with 432 inches. Divide that by 29 and it comes out to 14.89. So I just rounded it off to 15 ounces of stuff I'm going to need. So I've got 12 ounces of FLOETROL, which is 80%, 2 ounces of water, which is 15%, and LIQUITEX pouring medium glossy, 1 ounce. What I want to do is I want to pour this on, and hopefully I want to use colors that sometimes that do not mix. So I've got the green on. This is a mix that I made up of green paints I had laying around. But I want to put yellow and orange on top of green. And when you do that and mix them together, you sometimes get a muddy color. So I'm hoping that this will work today, that I will just have the green showing through and the other colors will be real vibrant and showing off. So I'm going to just spread this all on and then we'll start to paint. This is the dried picture or painting, and I've also varnished it. I wanted to tell you that the problem I had off camera was the product that I put on, the mixture of the 80% and 15% and 5%. After I blew everything out and came back, it was going into a great big blob. So what I did was, you can tell, is I took my fingers and tried to make some separation so that you could see like a leaf here and a leaf there, so that it wouldn't be just one great big blob. So what I'm thinking is, my paint ratio is 3 to 1, 3 FLOETROL ounces to 1 ounce of paint. I'm thinking that might be too light to do this, so I probably should do 2 ounces of FLOETROL and 1 ounce of paint. I think you'd have better luck, because you can see up here, see how fine it is? Anyway, it came out fine. You can see the green showing through. I didn't have any mud anywhere, so that's a good sign, and that's what I was aiming for. It's very colorful, but it's springtime. I lost some yellow that I had, and I lost my magenta. I don't have a lot of magenta showing, just little bits, and then the purple came through. So anyway, I'm happy with the results, and just so you know, I think your paint should be 2 ounces of FLOETROL and 1 ounce of paint when you do something like this. Please subscribe, it's free. Make a comment, good and bad, I like to hear it all.